All right, so I just got this in yesterday. This is the American Trucks C&L Proven Ground exhaust for my 2015 Chevrolet Silverado. Unboxing. Sorry about the this looks like the tip. And this looks like the extension tube. I'll put this on the back of the truck. And this looks like the muffler, which is too heavy for this. This is the exhaust tip, 4 inches by, at the longest, about 12 and a half, including the attachment. Muffler is, get closer, hon, 24 inches in muffler, including the attachment areas. It's a total of 30, so just about 3 inches on both sides, so 30 inches in length. 1, 2, 3 attachment pieces, and there's the 4th that bolts up to the catalytic converter. It also comes with a total of 6 clamps. One set of instructions. 2014-2018 Silverado. And it's packaged in this box. And the muffler and the tip are each individually packaged. Muffler in there. The tip is also wrapped up. And that is it for now. So I cut it right here after the valve. That's the only cut I made. And after I pulled out this, and this one, it was loose. And if you come up here, after you undid the 13mm bolt, I had this to deal with. And it looks like if you pick this piece up, this will slide out. But because it's on top, you can't see it. So I just took some wire cutters and I cut this off. Took a hammer, tapped this, and it all came loose. And that's it. All right, so the exhaust is all done. This is a cold start.